yeah, look at the new logo. Damn. Welcome to another video. We are here at Epcot. We are going to be heading into the new expansion to the France Pavilion for our annual pass holder preview for Remy's Ratatouille Adventure. Lindsay wants to get some crepes at the new sit-down / quick service window. Come along, let's see what we can get into.
Huh?
Yes.
We are doing 12 to 1 for
12 to 1 for 2. Yep, come on in.
Thank you.
Hi folks, I can check over here too.
This is where we actually
Oh my goodness, we're in! Oh my goodness, this is awesome. How long do you think we've waited? These light fixtures are really cool. During our annual pass holder preview, we definitely wanted to take advantage of Le Creperie de Paris being open, which is the new quick service and table dining experience, and they offer savory crepes, sweet crepes on an a la carte or a prefix menu. Lindsay did order off the prefix menu, so you get one savory, one sweet, a drink, and a starter. So she went ahead and ordered off of the hard cider menu, which is the dough, which is the sweetest of the champagnes, followed by a salad, which was just mixed greens, tomatoes, onions, and a vinaigrette. She thought all of these were fantastic. Kicking off our savory selection of the crepes, this was my selection. I went with the Savoyard, which is raclette cheese, onions, and imported ham, which you can see on top there. This was so good. Lindsay thought it was only customary during our Ratatouille preview that she had to order the Ratatouille, which was eggplant, tomatoes, and zucchini. Both of these were really good. However, we did decide that the Savoyard one was the better of the two. Next up, we have the sweet crepes, which, oh my gosh, these were so good. I went with the Melba, which is peach, red berry sauce, and candied almonds, and Lindsay went with the Banane, which is banana and caramel. We did order a little side of ice cream to go with this, and it really made both of these come to life. Oh my gosh, these were so good. I would even come back and just order the dessert crepes. We did try to select what was not available at the quick service, so like the hazelnut one is available at the quick service, so maybe pick something that you can only get by going in with the sit down. Altogether, this was a great experience. I do kind of have a craving for that sweet crepe, but all in all, this was really good. Thank you. Thank you. Oh wow, that still says Fast Pass. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh, it's like a theater.
Theater, yeah.
Oh, I see. I see. Hello. Look, yes. Oh my gosh.
Look, it's in your shadow, it's not in here. Oh, it's my shadow, sorry. I want this as a...
Oh Oh, the salt and peppers and everything. Oh, the cheese. Look at that. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh. Look at this.
Bonsoir, and welcome to Paris, the city of light. I do hope you have brought your appetite, because tonight, Chef Remy is preparing one of his specialties, which I am certain you will enjoy. Remember, food always comes to those who love to cook, but not to those who are late to dinner.
I think this is the one part that's new for this version.
Oh, you can go ahead if you want. We're taking pictures. This part is new for what?
This is the one in Paris does not have this room.
Wow.
This is like the artist's room.
Oh, yes, they are, Remy. Des invités pour le dîner.
Yes, but what to prepare? Hein? Pour le repas idéal? En province? Non. A simple omelet? Too simple.
Hey guys! The food is for them, not you!
Coming, everyone. Vous serez toujours les bienvenus chez Remy. À bientôt et bon appétit. Et Mino!
So I saw these wine bottles and I knew there had to be something with these dates. So this first one on the right is 2007, and that is when Ratatouille came out in theaters. And then this middle bottle says 2014 on it, and that is when the Paris version of the ride debuted at Disneyland Paris, Remy's Ratatouille Adventure, and then 2021 is for the Walt Disney World version. So you have all three right there, and then down here you have the 2014 and the 2021. How cool is that? Little tiny hints. They even have little whiskers. These are kind of cute for the evening.
They're lighting up.
Yeah, I was turning it off. So when someone buys it, it doesn't die.
Like this one,
Yeah.
you know?
We had to get a little memento for our passenger preview. So we got one of the little ride vehicles. Isn't that so cute? We did ride in Remy first, so we had to get the Remy also. We're getting the Remy. But it's cute, it bumps around, it's got a little thing that it'll run around. So we're gonna use this for the cats. Hopefully they love it.
Well, I think that's going to do it for today. It is raining and it doesn't look like it's going to stop anytime soon. But we had a blast riding Remy's Ratatouille Adventure. The crepes were delicious. It was such a fun time. Thank you so much for following along with us. If you liked this video, please make sure to subscribe and like this video so we can continue to bring you more content like this.